Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something really exciting. Samsung's One UI 8.0 is finally here, and it brings some cool new upgrades to the Gallery app that photo lovers are really going to appreciate. If you're someone who enjoys tweaking and editing photos directly on your phone, you'll be happy to hear that Samsung has made the background blur tool smoother, cleaner, and way more useful than ever before. So let's take a closer look at what's new in the Gallery app with One UI 8.0. If you've been following the latest updates, you might already know that One UI 8.0 is built on Android 16. Samsung recently released the beta version for the Galaxy S25 series, and ever since then, tech fans and developers have been digging through the update to find all the new goodies. We've already seen performance boosts, bug fixes, and some solid new features, but now we've got fresh details about updates to the photo editor inside Samsung's Gallery app. And guess what? Two major changes have been spotted in the background blur section. First up, Samsung has improved how smooth the blur transitions look when you're editing. If you've ever taken a portrait photo with your Samsung device, you probably know about the feature that lets you adjust the background blur. In One UI 7, dragging that blur slider could sometimes feel a bit choppy or laggy. But now, with One UI 8, the whole process feels super clean. As you move the slider, the background smoothly transitions between different levels of blur, giving your edits a more polished and professional look, all right from your phone. Now the second improvement is something many people have been asking for. In One UI 8, you can now easily compare your original photo with the edited one just by pressing and holding the image. Yep, that's right, no need to undo anything or go back and forth. Just long press your edited image, and it'll show the original version instantly. Let go, and you're back to your edit. It's a small feature, but it makes a big difference when you're trying to perfect your shots. These updates show that Samsung is really focusing on the little details that improve the overall experience. The smoother blur transitions and the ability to compare your edits quickly make photo editing feel more intuitive and enjoyable. Now, you're probably wondering, who can try out One UI 8.0 right now? Well, Samsung officially launched the One UI 8.0 beta program on May 28 for the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra. But just 2 days after launching, Samsung unexpectedly closed the beta sign-ups, saying the program was already full. Normally, these beta programs stay open for a while, but this one filled up fast. It could mean Samsung had fewer spots available this time, or maybe there was just a huge rush of users excited to get their hands on the update. But here's the twist: even after the beta was marked as full, some users reported that they were still able to join later on. That might mean Samsung expanded the number of slots in the program. They've done this before, especially when they release the next beta version, like Beta 2, which could be just around the corner. So, if you tried to join but couldn't get in, don't give up yet. Open up your Samsung Members app and check again. You might still have a chance to get in this time. And there's more good news. Samsung has already created beta program pages for the Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S23 Series 2. That likely means these devices are next in line to receive the One UI 8.0 update. While we don't have exact release dates yet, it's clear that Samsung is preparing to roll it out to even more users very soon. So if you're already part of the beta program with your Galaxy S25 device, you're one of the lucky ones. And if you're using a Galaxy S22 or S23, your turn might be coming up faster than you think. And that wraps up today's update. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to Drop Tech, and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest One UI 8.0 news and other tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.